What is the right way to curl your hair? I'm sure most people have heard someone say, curl your hair away from your face. But is that because that's the right way to curl your hair or because it's the popular way to curl your hair? The answer is there is no wrong way to curl your hair, whether it's the hair on your face or the hair all over your head. In a minute, I am going to show you an example of curling your hair away from your face on one side and towards your face on the other, so you can see that it's just a matter of stylistic preference and not a matter of right and wrong. But this also comes down to how to curl your hair in general. I often get questions, what's the best way to curl your hair? What's the best type of curl? What's the best curling tool for my hair? And honestly, the answer is whichever one is easiest for you to use and whichever one gives you the results you want. Can't really tell you which one is the best because it really depends on so many factors. It's going to depend on your experience, how good you are at working with hair tools, how you like your curls. Do you like it really curly? Do you like it really soft? Do you like it more wavy? And also things like your hair type and texture. People who have really fine flat hair are going to have different needs and probably have more versatile options than someone who's got really frizzy coarse hair. You're going to need something that smooths more. So my advice is always take advice and the rules with a grain of salt and make sure that you're open to experimenting and then going with whatever works for you, whatever feels right for you, and whatever looks in your hair like you like it to look. So now let's curl both sides of my hair, just the front bits. We'll do one side towards, one side away. And actually, my preference is to curl towards my face. I actually prefer the way it looks, but most people do like curling their hair away from the face. Or do they? Or is that just what they think they like because that's what they've been told? So you should probably try both and see what you like. So here we go. I'm gonna curl with a flat iron today, but this goes for no matter what tool. If you're using a wand, a flat iron, a curling iron, it doesn't matter, curling away and towards your face. So we'll curl this side away from my face. And this side we will curl towards. So those are the curls not shaken out, and then we will pull them out. I'll pull the rest of my hair away so you can just see. When you curl away from the face, you're gonna get more of that sort of bang swooping across your forehead look. And when you curl towards your face, you're gonna get more of this kind of C shape, a little bit more lift and volume here, which is why I tend to like it, because you get more volume away from your face, as opposed to curling away from your face tends to sit more against your face, but they're both really pretty looks. This one's gonna look more like a bang. This one's not gonna look so much like a bang in my opinion, but both very pretty, just completely different looks. Let me know in the comments if you like the curls towards the face or away from the face better and what your preference is when you do your hair at home. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope this was helpful and I hope this gives you the confidence to do whatever you love to do with your hair and not to follow the rules if that's not what makes you feel good about the way your hair looks. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos, and please like and subscribe because it really helps me out here on my channel. Bye, guys.